Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, I just wanted to give you an update on our preps for our pets. Should that be a motto? Preps for pets? I know. Today's just a day. I'll get into that in a minute. Gosh. Chewy was just delivered. We do order more during hurricane season for our pets. Okay. We already have 50 pounds of dog food in the container. We have 100 more pounds of dog food here. There's 80 pounds of cat litter in the container. We have 160 more pounds of cat litter here. There's 80 pounds of cat food in that container. Plus we have 4 more bags up there. Plus those 2 small bags of dog food up there. I had gotten coupons in the mail for free bags of dog food. So I picked those up. So those are just, some dog food that we found, to get for free. Oof. Today. Not today. No. But generally, if you get coupons in the mail, a lot of times we get them for pet supplies. I have been finding that, you can get some, I think my husband's home, some cat food, dog food, cat litter, even dog treats, cat treats for free. So, okay, I came outside because I wanted to see if there was any damage out here, because last night we had one heck of a storm, and I mean it was bad. So I want to see if there's any branches that came down or anything like that. Plus let's check on the garden. It was so bad that a lot of people were saying that they had no electricity, no internet, no phone, no nothing. And so, yeah, there's definitely pests in this. Damn it. But yeah, so we prep for our pets significantly, especially during hurricane season. And Penelope, how the heck did you just get in the garden? Out. Come on. And she's one of the biggest pests. Yeah, you are. Okay. All of this is going to have to come out, unfortunately. It's vine borers. Vine borers. So this is going to be my job for probably today. But yeah, we prep more for our pets during hurricane season. We buy extra pet supplies. Because of the hurricanes and tornadoes and stuff like that we do get here. It can be very scary. So, I'm sorry, I'm trying to check out what's going on. This is one of the pumpkin vines. What is that? My garden has been completely obliterated. Completely. I don't know what to do. I really don't. No matter what pesticides I use. Completely obliterated. Anyway, getting back to what I had mentioned earlier in the video, when I had said, that today was just a bad day, pretty much. The other day, my son was in a car accident up in Knoxville, Tennessee. And he was driving on a long, windy road at night. It was very foggy out, and something ran out in front of him. He thinks it might have been like a deer or something, and he swerved to avoid hitting it. And he did some major damage to his car, and it's going to cost a lot of money to fix it. It's going to cost $2,000 to fix his car. And so we are trying to figure out like how to, get the car fixed without putting an insurance claim in and stuff like that. Because, he pays for his own share. Oh, they're having a new roof put on. Okay. Ooh. I see people walking on the roof over there. I was like, what the heck was that sound? Oh, okay. These are the beans, the sugar snap peas that I had planted a week ago. So they look great. Because he pays for his own part of the car insurance. And he's just afraid. He's like, Mom, he's like, I can barely afford the insurance now, because his part of the insurance is $185 a month. So, with working and everything, plus he's going to school. So he's in a pickle. So I said, Andrew, don't worry about it. We will figure this out. So we are figuring it out. We're getting help from family and stuff like that. So it's, $2,000 is a lot to a 22-year-old kid. It really is, especially when this is his first apartment with his now fiance. So yay, Andrew. Congratulations to Andrew and Madison. Very big congratulations. They have been together for 2 years. And we love Madison so much. She is the most amazing girl ever. She's 21 years old. She works at the University of Tennessee. Cannot be more proud of this girl, really. So, but anyway, Andrew is, he called and he's like, Mom, he's like, I want to come home, Mom. I want to come home. And I said, Andrew, I said, if you want, I said, me and Dad will come up and get you. And he's just like, but I don't know, Mom. He said, if I come home, he said, I have to start all over again. He said, I won't have a car. I won't have a job. I said, Andrew, I said, what do you think family is for? So, as soon as I got off the phone with him, I called his Aunt Dawn. And of course, what does Aunt Dawn say? You up for a road trip? Let's go get him. But we got family pulled together, and his car is being fixed. So thankfully for family. We have an amazing family. We really, really, truly do. So, oh boy. I don't know. This kid. Now these cucumber plants are doing wonderful. But when I planted them over there in the main garden, it was like they got attacked by every insect you could possibly imagine. Go figure. But that's why I said what I said about this day being meh and just not being a good day. Because, when you get woken up in the early morning and your son is hysterical crying, saying, Mom, I want to come home. After he's only moved out. This Friday will be 4 weeks. So, and he's a strong guy, my son. He's very strong. And when he calls you like that, it says something. It hits you in the heart. It really does. So, anyway, Okay, yeah, this is my project for the day. Uh, I am devastated. I really am. Because the whole reason why Sean and I wanted to plant pumpkins was because, our nieces and nephews, we wanted them to have their very own pumpkin patch. Especially for our 5-year-old nephew. Our 5-year-old nephew, he has something called Williams syndrome. And Williams syndrome is on the same spectrum as Down syndrome. And he loves Halloween. And every year for Halloween, he dresses up as a police officer. And we wanted him to, especially him, to have his very own pumpkin patch. And this is what happened. And no matter what pesticides I used, vine borers and squash bugs. So, and I used the best soil, the best fertilizer, the best everything. I don't know. I don't know. I'm at a loss. I really am. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, call me. Let's talk. All right. That's all for this video. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. If you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. Okay, guys. Bye.